Want to learn how to transform your audience thoughts into one visual, interactive word cloud during your presentation? You can with PowerPoint. To create this interactive audience-generated word cloud in PowerPoint, we first need to get ClassPoint inside of your PowerPoint. To do that, we can go to ClassPoint.io, click Sign Up, and then download and install ClassPoint into your PowerPoint. From there, you'll see the Ink No ClassPoint tab here in your PowerPoint ribbon. Once you're signed in, we're ready to get started. I love using word clouds for warm-up icebreakers, summarizing key points, quick check-ins, or getting feedback. However you want to use your word clouds in your presentations, first step is to just add your question onto your slide. From there, we simply need to click on the word cloud button on the ClassPoint tab. You can move around this button and customize your question here in the side panel. These play options here just determine how the question is run later in presentation mode. For now, we're going to leave them blank, and with all of the prep work done for our word cloud button, let's go into presentation mode to actually see this word cloud created. To begin receiving results from your audience, you first need to have them join in your class. To do that, click on the class code up here to open up the My Class window. Your audience can scan the QR code, or they can use a mobile device or any browser and go to ClassPoint.app. Then they just need to type in the class code and their name. Once everyone is joined in, they're ready to go, and as soon as you click on the button, they can begin submitting their responses. You'll be able to view all these responses live on your screen, or you can minimize this window to show your whole entire slide. To check on full participation, you can click back into that yellow button and check on the live status. When you're happy with the results of your question, you can close the submission to begin reviewing. To review these responses, you can insert it as a slide right into your PowerPoint presentation, or we can go back and click into this green button to dive a little bit deeper. Any of these responses can be clicked on to reveal who submitted which response. You can award stars for participation, or if there was a correct answer or not. For more information about ClassPoint stars, levels, and leaderboards, take a look at the video linked above. You can also highlight the top answers and even submit this as a slide in your presentation too. Then you can begin annotating right on top of this word cloud. If you want to dive deeper into any of the responses, you can pick on an audience participant using the spinning wheel of names. And lastly, if you want to show how great your presentation was, we can always share this activity with your network. To review all of these responses after your presentation, back in edit mode, you can click on the word cloud button, and in the side panel, you can view these responses. If you're using this presentation over again, you can always delete these responses to get ready for your next presentation. And that is it, a quick, easy way to add word clouds into your PowerPoint presentations. Take a look here at the best ways to use word cloud in any presentation and to subscribe to the ClassPoint channel. Download ClassPoint and get started today.